Yes, I know. I'm just saying, is he much happier with the other one?
What, Angelina?
Yes.
He literally cheated on her and broke her heart. How can you defend him?
Well, I won't lie to you, darling. I really don't care much about Jennifer Aniston.
Oh yeah, you'd feel different if it was your husband.
Yes, I'm sure I would. Ooh, now, what do you think of this?
What, for you or for me?
For me.
Oh no.
I like it.
I didn't realise you were blind too, Granny.
Do you know, I think I might try that on and see.
Absolutely not.
Oh, no, stop it. Bill, turn me round
And I
again.
will not be seen with you in that.
Well, I like it.
Well, that's cute.
What, for you or for me?
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, for a prostitute.
Nan!
I just don't know where you wear it.
You know I'm not a child,
Ooh,
right?
I can just hear your mother spinning in her...
You can't boss me around like one.
Yes, I know you're not a child. I'm just saying, Lily, I'm not being funny, but you can see your fucking tonsils through that.
Excuse me, is everything all right?
No.
Yes, fine, thank you. We're just having a little disagreement.
Right, amazing. Perhaps we could keep the noise down. We wouldn't want to disturb the other customers now, would we?
Of course not. No, sorry.
Thank you.
Bellend.
It's just a
Oh
dress.
God, we're not still on this, are we?
Yes, we are, because it's not fair you get to buy your ugly shit.
Oh look, it's just not appropriate. Lily, just put the dress down.
Do you understand the misogynistic ideas that you're implementing onto your granddaughter right now? That my clothes affect what respect I deserve, that wearing revealing outfits makes me a whore.
Oh, Lily, stop it. This conversation's over. I mean it. No, Lily. What? Lily? Oh, for fuck's sake. God.
Is everything all right, madam?
Yes, I'm...
Don't worry,
Thank
we'll
you.
get you out of here in no time. Let me just...
Well, no, hide that. Really jam.
Maybe I've got to do this one first.
No, you should be able to do them both together, like this.
You really are wedging there, aren't you?
Yes.
Maybe.
You rolling?
Aren't you?
Get off with you, all of you. You're not helping. You're not helping.
What was that?
Just get off.
There you go.
Look, I'll hurt you lot much more than me if I have to knock you all down. It's gonna just...
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thanks.
Took you long enough. Shit, are you okay?
That was fucking hilarious. Oh, God.